O sige thật mà B sige thật mà ốc năng đen chôm kha Pak sige thật ấy Pak sige thật mà bố sige thật mà bố sige thật mà B sige thật mà ốc năng đen chôm kha Pak sige thật mà Pak sige thật mà
Cholo ka nang ihem long le nunulat ke.
Ê nàng bố Jo em long thang sai với ông sẽ luôn luôn ra được cái gì
Non karbiang long singing star tum lun ga chipati du ko nang dun de ma.
Oh thang là chín đi cứu
Dong le. Du ke non karbiang long singing star cheng buke 7 July pen audition. Asi men chita dun serang o.
Kadang mah por lang mah naya pun cuma terang ni
Dan de ni nang japon po. Mo.
Osa men je thabi buti ho
Pilo ko nang men ke?
Duke. Nili tuma website ke www.russths.in. Laso website long nale tum search te long ikbo. Nale tum dak bang mudet ta choklo.
Eh online dah du po he. Hei ni ke chini delo pusan de laan ke bang cepat duk dele. Hei kau nak cuba nak thanti munit ke anak por cepat dam long jok pro pole.
Ba ko nang ni phone ke black and white ma ko dak nang tharo. Yes, and if you try to register your name in the singing competitions, you can register your name through online, as online registrations is available in this website given below. So don't waste any time, go for it and register your name to compete in this competition.
Kadom kacing on solang do karbiara do anapan. Lasi Rusemson Sing di Talent Han Society ahin pen. Karbiang Long Singing Star Management Team. Aso patir pi pen si non kebangji jakong ni pai. Troxy pen. Karbiang Long Singing Star. Tabang so audition depon po lagi di pukla long su depon ji. Lasi dak manager thabon dia tu man sta men al tu peder de pin pen. Karbiang Long Singing Star along tu manager thabung cha lasi kepajut si nal tu men ke thap arni lake busik ni pai thong kebar ni an hello lasi labang so long nal tu jasemet
কাৰ্বি আংলং ছিংগিং ষ্টাৰ মেনেজমেণ্ট টীম তৰফৰ পৰা যিবিলাকে গানৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত ভাল পোৱা আৰু গাবলৈ ইচ্ছা থকা যুৱক যুৱতীসকলৰ কাৰণে এটা ছিংগিং ৰিয়েলিটি শ্ব' অনুষ্ঠিত হ'ব সেইবাবে আপোনালোকে সময় নষ্ট নকৰি আৰু পলম নকৰাকৈ সোনকালে নাম ভৰ্তি কৰি এই সুবিধা অথবা সুযোগ লৈ কাৰ্বি আংলং ছিংগিং
lasi apor wepin on tu peder de pin pen men thap tu not.
Well, it is very interesting to know that Karbi Anglong Singing Star Management Committee has decided to organize Karbi Anglong Singing Star, and I would say it's a great opportunity for the music lovers who always make smule and always sing in a smule in social media. So this is a great platform for those people who love music and who love to sing, since the audition for these competitions will be starting from 7th of July. So it's a great platform for the music lovers, and also we would like to request each and every one of you to please participate in this competition, since such competitions is very rare in our district. So each and every one of you, please do participate, and you have a lot of talent, so it's a great platform to showcase your talent in such events. So thank you very much.